Hello friends, welcome to the Get My Job channel. In today's video, we'll look for top 10 questions for cracking electrical engineer's job interview. Today's topic is three-phase induction motor. So friends, let's prepare for the interview for the job of electrical engineer. Let us know the top question on motors which are asked during the electrical engineering job interview. To support your interview preparation, I will be publishing series of videos on such aspect of electrical. To get such videos firsthand, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's see the questions which are generally asked in electrical engineer's job interview. What are different protections provided for small induction motor? For small induction motor, BMR means bimetallic relay is provided for overload protection and fuses are provided for short circuit protection. On operation of the relay, the contactor will open and break the power circuit. In the modern motor controls techniques, digital protection relays are provided which can provide all the protections for the motor. On operation of the relay, the MCCB will open and break the power circuit for the motor. What are the components used in LT low power induction motor circuit? Generally, induction motors up to 55 kW will have following components in the controller power circuit. They can have two types of control circuit. One, the conventional one, which will have switch fuse unit or SFU, BMR bimetallic relay and a contactor. The modern MCCs will have MCCB, digital protection relay and current transformers for protecting the LT low power induction motor. What are the components used in LT high kilowatt power induction motor circuit? Generally, induction motors above 55 kilowatt will have following components in the controller power circuit: A circuit breaker, digital protection relay, auxiliary contactors, CT means current transformers, PT means potential transformers. What are the components used in ST induction motor circuit? Generally, induction motors above 160 kW will have following components in the controller power circuit: vacuum circuit breaker or SF6 breaker, digital protection relay, auxiliary contactors, CT current transformers and PT potential transformers. What are the different protections provided for ACB controlled LT motor or VCB controlled ST motor? Higher kilowatt induction motor shall have digital protection relay. The common motor protection provided for higher kilowatt ST and LT motors are short circuit protection 50, locked rotor protection or block rotor protection, overload protection, phase and balance protection, earth fault protection and number of hot starts. Especially for the large kilowatt ST motors, this protection will be provided wherein they will limit number of hot starts for the higher kilowatt ST motors. When is the differential protection is provided for the induction motor? Where are the cities located in the differential protection? Differential protection exists because the relay can be set very sensitively to capture low level fault currents in the motor. Commonly, differential protection is used for large greater than 2000 horsepower medium voltage motors or large motors that are very critical or expensive. CTs for differential protection are provided at the following location. One set of CT will be located in the outgoing side of the breaker. Other set of CT will be located in the star point side of the motor. You can see from the picture the location of the CTs. What are the typical settings of the relay for the ST motor? The typical settings for different elements for protection of the ST or large LT motor will be like this. Thermal overload element. To set this element, we have to identify the percentage full load current on which the motor is running continuously. So thermal setting will be calculated is equal to full load current into percentage full load upon city ratio. Short circuit element. The range available for this element is 1 to 5 times of the starting current. Time delay is also available. We normally set it at 2 times of the starting current with a time delay of 0.1 second. Single phasing element. This element will operate if there is an unbalance in the current of 3 phases. It is also called the unbalanced protection. The element is set for 1/3 of the starting current. If it is tripped during starting, the parameter will be changed to the half of the starting current. Earthfall protection. This element measures the neutral current of the star connected city secondary. The range available for this element is 0.02 to 2 times of city primary current. Time delay is also available. We normally set it at 0.1 times of city primary current with a time delay of 0.2 second. If tripped during starting of the motor, then the time setting can be raised to 0.5 second. Lock retro protection. The range available for this element is 1 to 5 times of the full load current. Time delay is also available. We normally set it at 2 times of full load current. The time delay will be more than the starting time of the motor. Starting time means the time required by the motor to reach to its full speed. Number of hot start protection. Here we will provide the number of starts allowed in a specified time duration. By this, we will limit the number of hot starts given to the motor. What are the different lubrication methods provided for the motor? Different lubrication methods for the induction motor are grease lubrication for the motor bearing, oil lubrication. In oil lubrication, it could be natural oil lubrication, it could be forced oil lubrication or oil mist lubrication. What are the different cooling methods for the motor? For the low voltage motor, we have totally enclosed, naturally ventilated. It will not have any fan. The other method, totally enclosed, fan cooled. So, own fan cooled means the fan will be installed on the shaft. The third type, totally enclosed, force ventilated. Here, an individual additional independent fan motor will be installed on the motor, and motor will be cooled with that fan. Totally enclosed air over. Here there is no fan, but motor is in airstream. The airstream is flown on the motor body. Another next type is jacket water cooled, where the water will take away heat from the motor. What is IP protection ratings for the motor? IP means ingress protection. Electrical motors, IP ingress protection classification is a measure of capacity of the motor to resist ingress of dust and of water. Typically, IP54, which means protection against the touching of the tools, ingress of solid object exceeding 1 mm in diameter, and protection against splashing of water from any direction. IP54, protection against contacts, protection against accumulation of harmful dust, protection against splashing of water from any direction. IP55, protection against touches, protection against accumulation of harmful dust, and protection against any water jets from any direction. IP56, protection against water jets. IP65, totally protected against dust. IP66, totally protected against dust and water jets. Normally in industries, IP54 or IP55 motors are used. In the dust environment, we will use IP66 motors. So friends, I hope this information was useful for you and you will take advantage of it for cracking your electrical engineer's job interview. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you friends.